down Virginia, cross a bridge, it looked a lot like Leviathan. Travel the coast, but I was tied to the whipping post, so I'm getting high again. Where did you go? Down Virginia, cross a bridge, it looked a lot like Leviathan. Travel the coast, but I was tied to the whipping post, so I'm getting high again. Where did you go? Down the river in a sinking boat. Soft sounds of violin. Followed the ghost and was delivered from the shadows of all that I was hiding in. Where did you go? Down the river in a sinking boat. Soft sounds of violin. Followed the ghost and was delivered from the shadows of all that I was hiding in.
I could count them if I want to. All these years I wasted on you. You gave up. I grew up. Oh, I can't help but wonder, where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you? Where would I be? What would I do?
And Aguilar in the right field. He's watching. It's
About to show these fools up. We are at Miller Park right now. About to whip up my drone and catch some cool shots. To Lion's Den, which is just north of Milwaukee. We're gonna check out the hiking that they have to offer there.